Okay, guys, welcome back. Welcome back. We are here to react. This is a quick video. It's not gonna be too long. I promise that we'll be bringing some of the things that is happening in our land to you, so that you'll be aware of it, so that you are not gonna miss out at all. That's why you need to subscribe to the channel, and of course, like the video so that the others will join us as well. The video we get to people that is meant to get to. Now, it is no longer a news that as Biafrans choose to focus their attention on irrelevant things, Nigerian security force and in-house enemies are doing everything to keep our people in danger. Now you are gonna hear this video. I will play the video so that you will see what they're doing, and I have something to say about it. Very, very important.
This is our security. This is our security. This is our security. Yeah. We have conquered our
The guy is an Igbo man. No, don't get it twisted. They are Igbo. This not all of them, but this one that seems to be the leader is Igbo man.
This is our security. This is our security. Life in our
If you hear also security, you think that is a vigilante group. No, these are eyes of Nigerian army, because this is a combination of Nigerian army and those who claim they are also security. When Biafra Liberation Army is okay, let us deal with them within. They say, "Oh, you are killing Igbo people. You are killing your brother. What kind of Biafra are you giving us when you are killing your brother?" But when you ask them, okay, what kind of Nigerian are we having when you are facilitating the marginalization of Igbo people? No, they will say, "Oh, how dare you to say that? It doesn't mean that you are insulting Nigerian forces." You're going to. Now, when you hear Ogbonigwe, this is a Biafran weapon being, led a kind of ambush against the invaders. That is what some of the people, fighting now on social media, their underground workers have actually leaked where they buried Ogbonigwe for Nigerian army. Okay, now fair. So this one is not about you don't know where your problem is coming from. It is coming directly from those that is facing you, your brothers and your sisters.
Of the Ogbonigwe sitting for front. We conquered it. This is the security of Osi.
We conquered it not with a fierce battle, but we conquered it by sabotage. Somebody who noticed, who is part and parcel of those who led those Ogbonigwe, have voluntarily reported those locations. Maybe he's one of them now, covering face and matching. One of them, pointing hands. Imagine something that you buried in secret has been revealed without any hesitation. So it's not as if they have American wonder to discover it. Somebody who happened to be part and parcel of those who buried those things are now working for them to point finger on the location. It could be somebody in somewhere in outside Nigeria, outside Biafra land, that are now fighting each other, fighting finance minister, fighting COS. One of them could be the one that have in the name of I have direct contact with men on ground. That this is the person that have direct contact with the men on ground. They are now out of anger revealing what they know to the people that they shouldn't know about it. Are you connecting the point? That McCarthy not support party A, party B. Kone doku na ya. Ndi hele na them. Shameless people. If you have noticed, Nigerian army are not used to men day, men no day. They are not used to that. Okay, they are not used to men day, men no day. It is only those insiders that are using that. Okay, now listen. This is one of the materials from Biafran's government, and they are this is one of the not Biafran government, Biafran Division Army, I believe. Listen.
About 3 or 4
do you understand? He's not telling you that no consult the Nilu, meaning that they know the place. Which means they are part and parcel of those who bury those things. I'm not saying that they are making this video. Maybe it could be a propaganda video, but based on what we are seeing on social media, and I don't think it's a propaganda video. It is real, and they are now trying to show you that. I'm just saying, I'm just saying. Don't. This is my opinion, okay? But I feel that maybe since chief of staff is now in charge, let us make things that's gonna shock the Biafrans, so the Biafrans will now say she's getting it wrong. She don't protect our land. That's how they roll. Without minding the wealth and the money these people are wasting to prove a point. DOS point 2. Do you understand it? Nanka weta more tanka. Otile yetile. Nanka weta more tanka. Otile yetile. This is another thing. Just pay attention. Because like I promised you, the video is not going to be too long. So don't worry. It's not going to be too long. I just want you to understand. I'm not here to promote anything, but for Biafran to be aware of what is playing out.
All security also recovery with the help of Ndamipa.
Okay, it's no longer, it's not from me, no security of Osu Ihutu Obama, or whatever they call that, with the help of the army. Tomorrow, when you hear that Biafran British Army have captured Osu Ihutu Obama, commander, or their chief security, Okunafugo, so Ekperima with his men are killing our people. This is why I always ask them, can you swear that PM is the one causing insecurity in our region? So who causes more insecurity between those who are helping those that well-known people that are buying our people, and those who are stopping them? Who actually is getting insecurity? In Enugu State today, Fulani herdsmen are destroying farmland in the presence of farmers, and farmers don't have any courage to tell Aboki, carry your cow out, leave my farmland. No, you don't have the courage to do that, because if you do, your head and your body will be separated in the presence of your family members, and if they question, their own will be separated. And the same army that you are helping, or that will help of an army that is not helping you, ihere megbukwe ndị Igbo, ụmụaka Igbo na-ezuzu ya, not ndị Igbo niile, biko. Very shameless and useless human beings. Hi! This one is too painful, honestly. Listen. All these people you are seeing here wearing khaki are army. They are all army.
All security also recovery. They say the security men here. All the security is here. It's a joint. It's a joint.
That is a joint movement. So my people, I want you to tell me what you think about this, for you to see that a lot of work is still undone. I just want you to know that, and thank you so much for your time. Please like this video and comment. Subscribe if you are new, and God bless you all. Bye bye for now.
Man of my na Zube Mpoto Makaino. No go front much, no go front much, no go front much. Zube Mpoto Makaino. Unna fear very well. Biafra the bunna ha. Who the entire generation. Iya ha na Morocco si webido. Eh na Morocco si webido kake si mako si akwose. We have come to return peace back in Osu Itokwa. Whether the bandits they like it or not, there must be peace in Osu Itokwa. Osu ya deka obodo ndị ọzọ nke ya dị iche. Ọ na-azụ na Mpoto Makaino. So that ndị army on the front and other soldiers. Our security agencies, they are in the front. Osu Itokwa security are in the front. Who say man no dey? Man dey woto.